Time now for some Wuhan virus updates. The picture is only getting grimmer. As millions of Americans plan their holiday travel, COVID cases are spreading like wildfire. In some parts of the country, the number of cases has hit its highest level since last December, the highest in a year. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has listed 23 states as having very high levels of COVID. This includes Arkansas, Delaware, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts and Michigan, among others. Another 12 states are considered to have high levels of COVID. This includes Alabama, Arizona, California, Colorado and New York. The alarming rise in COVID cases comes as the JN.1 strain spreads rapidly around the world. It has now become the fastest growing COVID variant in America. Higher COVID levels have also been detected in American wastewater. However, good news is that the COVID-related emergency department says visits and deaths still remain low. Now, as you know, it is the holiday season. Millions of Americans are expected to hit the road. According to the US media, some 115 million Americans will travel over Christmas and New Year's this year. This would make 2023 the second biggest year for holiday travel in over 2 decades. This doesn't come at a good time, with the new subvariant going around, and it's not just the West. Asian countries are also on high alert. We have been bringing you updates. Malaysia and Singapore have put up their guard. Malaysia, for one, has reactivated its heightened alert system. Now, this is an early intervention protocol based on the infection and death levels, as well as the hospitalization rate. Singapore, Thailand and Indonesia have issued advisories asking people to mask up and get vaccinated. The number of cases has shot up as much as 75% in these countries since the start of this month. The number of cases is now in tens of thousands. As for India, 328 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours. Some 265 of them were in Kerala. There was also one death in the South Indian state. As of now, there are close to 3,000 active cases in India. I've been telling you this since the start of the week. It's about time you reach out for that mask. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.